Here, homeowner Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I want to talk to you about waterproof and water-resistant flooring. You've probably seen that a lot of people are advertising that, selling now, and I want to give you some insights on that flooring. What's the difference? What's some options that you have? That way you can make a good buying decision. Let me explain what are these two first. Water-resistant flooring means that if you throw this piece of flooring in water, it will resist for a few days and eventually it will start breaking down. Waterproof flooring means that if you throw a piece of this flooring in water, water gets to it, it won't break, water won't penetrate, you won't see any damage. And now let me talk about some factors, what you can find out there on the market. Let's talk about colors and designs. When we're looking at both, you can basically find anything that you're looking for in both of them. Designs wise, you can go with any designs basically. When it comes to type of flooring, most likely you will find some kind of a hard surface flooring, some kind of vinyl plank, some kind of luxury vinyl, things like that. Let's talk about acoustic, soundproof and all that. Sometimes it all depends on the room. You won't get a lot of echo in the room because the plastic will absorb some of the sound. Is the best option out there for sound? No, it's not. You will hear some echo if you're concerned about that. Durability, how strong is it? This is a very delicate topic. It all comes down to wear and tear, how much traffic you get. If we're only measuring water damage, waterproof flooring is the best option because you can spill, you can do anything and it won't damage it. But if you have a flood, this flooring won't hold up to it. It won't break down, but when water gets underneath of the flooring needs to come up for the professionals to be able to dry the subfloor. Now let's talk about what cleans better. In my opinion, I would go with a waterproof flooring because I can use basically anything that I want on that flooring. But you have to be careful because if you go with a high pH cleaner, you may damage the finish of that flooring. But if I'm cleaning one of the two, I prefer to clean a waterproof flooring. I hope this video has some information for you. And if you have any question, please leave a comment on this video. Thank you.